What is going on, guys? Art here off the Dole Media Group, coming to you live and direct from another parking lot. Today is Lowe's. I have to stop off and pick up a caulk gun for a little bathroom job that I'm doing in a couple of days. The whole point of this video is kind of twofold. I got another focus group or survey that I'm on my way to, and a few months back, I don't know if you remember, for those of you that didn't see it, I did a video on 3 secret ways or whatever. I forget what the title was, but 3 methods or 3 places that I use to generate income, and they basically were focus groups and surveys and so forth. I'll link it in the description somewhere up here. I'll put it down at the bottom and I'll put a link up here. But basically, I have another survey. This one is due to pay me $125 in the form of a Visa gift card. So what I'm going to do, this video is probably going to be a 2-parter. The first part is basically going to be me going to the focus group or the survey. I would love to take the camera in, but I seriously doubt if that's going to happen. Usually they make us sign NDs or non-disclosures, so we don't talk about it. Check back in with you when I get to the parking lot when I'm walking in. All right, peace. What's going on, guys? I finally made it. As you see, it's a little darker now. I have made it through traffic. I'm at the facility. I'm in the parking garage now, so I'm going to head in. So I hope all goes well. I will come back with a $125 Visa gift card. See you then. What's going on, guys? 2 hours later, and I made it out with my $125 Visa gift card. Again, this particular focus group was at FieldWork. They're located here for me in Chicago, and they have offices in Schaumburg and Oak Brook and so forth, but they're all over the country. I'll put a link in the description below. It's free to sign up. They're legitimate, and you do get paid. I would love to talk about the type of focus group that I did tonight, but I'm sure one of the 2 documents that I signed said that I wouldn't talk about it, so I'm not going to talk about it because I don't want to get kicked out the program. But what I will say is, in the past, I've done focus groups on lawnmowers, grooming habits, television shows, movies, you name it, I've done it. So all you need to do is click the link below, register, complete your profile, and they'll start sending you surveys. You have to qualify for the surveys. If you answer all the questions, someone may call you within typically 48 hours to confirm your responses that you did. Okay? If everything matches what you did online, they'll invite you out. Sometimes you do them online. Sometimes they'll come to your house and you get paid more. But they'll invite you to a survey or a focus group. You confirm the date and the time, and you go, as I did today. Generally, they're 2 hours, and the prices range. It varies. It could be anywhere from $75 to, I've had them as much as $250, $300. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling right now. Look for the video where I'm going to actually transfer the funds from this card to my PayPal account and answer all the questions that I've had from the previous video about how to set it up, how to set up the invoice and things of that nature. So look for that video. Until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you know when the videos do come out. Until then, peace.